That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better.
Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Denise. If you are new here, thank you so much. You are looking at a very empty space and I don't like it. This is where we like to sit and look at all this beautiful greenery outside, and I just hate the fact that I never have anywhere to put a nice cold drink. So I took care of that. I took a trip to the Goodwill and I found this beautiful table here. It's not in bad shape at all. I am going to church it up a bit and make it a little bit more personable to us. And I did purchase this table for the sweet price of $4.99. So the first thing I wanted to do was give it a good wipe down, and I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's spray in the scent Basil. And I'll be using spray paint to give the table a nice clean base color. So moving on to deciding what type of graphics I wanted to put on the table. Can anyone take a wild guess?
Go Gamecocks! Woo! Yeah, but anyway.
About to start up in a month, y'all.
I am using PicMonkey to create all of my graphics, and I'm going to be using my wireless Canon printer to print them. So here's a quick overview of all the items that I'm going to be using to complete the look of the table. First things first, this liner here, I did purchase it from Walmart. These are 2 Bath & Body Works candle lids, a pair of scissors, some clear tape that I purchased from the Dollar General, and here are all of the printed art that I'll be using for the table. I'm just tracing the candle lids to make it easier for me to cut them out, and I'm going to be placing the liner on, and I am going to be using a gift card to smooth everything out and hopefully get rid of all of the air bubbles. I'm adding this clear tape just to offer some sort of protection. And here's how they look completed. I did do both of them, and there's some imperfections, but they still look good, I think. So y'all, I'm a little bit tired, so I'm just gonna try to speed this thing up for you in this clip here. I'm just gonna cut off as much as I think will cover the top of it, and complete the process by using those same steps as I did with the candle lids. So far, this is how everything is looking. I do have some tape holding down the cutouts so that I can continue with the process of adding the tape, and when you see this table again, it will be beautiful. And just in case you all forgot, this is what the area was looking like before, and here is what it looks like now. See the difference? It makes me so happy. I'm so happy. I hope you all are enjoying it as much as I am. as I take a closer look at it, you really can't see the imperfections, and trust me y'all, there are plenty. I am gonna let you get like a better look at it just from me sitting down, but up close it's not that bad. Like I said, this table was only $5 and I didn't just want to set it there looking all plain and things, so I had to church it up. Don't you agree? Doesn't it look just absolutely righteous? And here is what it looks like sitting down. You all, I can't tell you how much I am so thankful that you are enjoying this video. I know you're enjoying this video just as much as I'm enjoying that ginger ale and looking at the beautiful scenery. Please come back for more. Bye.